Hi everybody, it's Nina, Beachfront Bargains. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am an online reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I also do closet reviews and eBay store reviews via my website, which is beachfrontbargains.online, and that will also be down below in the description. So today is going to be another weekly what's sold video. This will be for April 8th through 14th. During this week, I did $446 on eBay and $398 on Poshmark. So a total of $844, so just around $850. I did a little bit more on eBay, but still about half and half sales-wise on both platforms. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with what sold on eBay. So the first thing that sold was a junk food Wonder Woman tank top. And this sold for $15. I didn't have this listed for very long. I think maybe a couple days, and I got this offer, went back and forth with the buyer. Junk food does a lot of like graphic tees and stuff. So if you see them, definitely pick them up. But this was just like a Wonder Woman tank top that sold for $15. Next is a Rag and Bone tank top. It's just like a plain white tank top, but again, Rag and Bone is a great brand, so even a tank top from them will sell for $20. Okay, next is a Free People sweater. This is like a distressed sweater, blue and white stripes, and this sold for $25. I had this listed for $50, but I had it listed for a little bit, and you know, summer's coming, so I took an offer of $25 because pretty soon people will not be thinking about sweaters. Except me sitting in my house in a Sherpa in Florida. Okay, next is a Talbot's denim blazer. I know a lot of people sleep on Talbots and don't pick it up, but there's definitely a market for it. It's not, you know, an 18-year-old, but there's a market for Talbots. This sold for $32, which is a full price sale with my 20% off sale. When this sold, I literally looked full price. I looked at my phone and I was like, what? So don't sleep on Talbots, especially their blazers. Those do really well and they're really expensive in store. So like I said, this sold for $32 and it sold within a week or two. Next is a pair of Paige jeans. Again, Paige is one of my favorite denim brands to pick up. I love picking up Paige. And these were skinny jeans. They sold for $36. Okay, next was a J. Crew swimsuit, just a little one piece, like a little tie front with a scoop back, navy blue, and this sold for $20. I think I have these listed at $24 right now, so I took an offer of $20. Next is a Free People kind of like knitted V-neck tank top and it's more like a sweater material. This sold for $17. I took an offer on this just because I don't think this is like the latest, trendiest item right now. So I took an offer on this one of $17. Okay, and next is this just Disney graphic Mickey Mouse tank top. Another really great thing to pick up: Disney, Mickey Mouse, Harry Potter, any of that type of stuff usually does really well, even if it's just like this plain tank top with Mickey Mouse. Wouldn't be a what sold video if my dog didn't show up. You gonna tell them what sold, girl? She said no, she's going back to bed. Okay, next is a Anthropology tank top. This sold for $18. I had this for a long time, but it was just like a white tank top with ruffled sleeves. But I took an offer of $18 on that. Next is an American Eagle top. Again, like a staple brand that I love selling, American Eagle. This was like a vintage, it was a vintage boyfriend, like button down in an army green color. And this sold for $20, which was an offer, which I gladly accepted. And this sold within 2 or 3 days. So again, another quick sale. Okay, next was a Zara top. It was a button-down plaid, like a green color. And this sold for full price for $28. And this actually went to Latvia. So international. I love getting a good international sale on eBay because when you have free shipping turned on, the international shipping isn't free, so then they have to pay for the shipping, and it's basically a full price sale plus shipping. That's one of the coolest things about eBay is international. It just opens it up to so many more buyers. I probably sell something internationally at least twice a week now. It's just so many more buyers, and there's specific brands that are looking for they can't find in the US. Okay, next is a Tommy Bahama men's shirt. Just kind of like a heathered orange short sleeve shirt, and this sold for $20, which was again a full price sale. Next, this one also. Did you ever just get a sale and you're just like, is this a prank? Like, you just don't believe it, especially when it's a quick sale. This was a soft surroundings blouse, tunic, like layered top, and it sold full price for $32. Again, soft surroundings, not necessarily the trendiest brand or the coolest brand, but it definitely sells, and especially on eBay. This is a great brand to sell on eBay. Okay, next is another J. Crew swimsuit. This sold for $20. Again, this seems to be the going price for swimsuits in my store right now. Next is a Torrid blouse. People always ask me, do you sell Torrid? Yeah, I love Torrid. I love selling Torrid. This is just like a short sleeve, really pretty lace top. And this sold for $20, which was an offer from the buyer. Next was this Macy's tank top. It was like this really pretty orange floral, like wrap tank top. And it sold for $16. See, I'll literally sell anything. Next was another really quick sale. It was a Lily Pulitzer blouse. It was just white, kind of like floral print here detailing. But just like a really good top for spring, I would definitely say. I've never seen white stuff starting to pick up, which makes sense since it's April. Okay, next is another J. Crew swimsuit. Again, navy blue. This kind of has like the high side detailing, some side boob, scandalous stuff going on. And that sold for $20. Next is the exact same swimsuit. And again, that also sold for $20. Okay, and then last up for eBay is an Ann Taylor Loft shirt, vintage soft shirt. So if you ever see Ann Taylor Loft vintage soft, they'll say that on the tag. Make sure to pick those up. If they're in good condition, those seem to do really well. Like, it's a specific sub brand that people are looking for, and I get it because I've actually kept a couple of these for myself because they are, hence the name, very, very soft shirts. Okay, so that is it for eBay. So next is Poshmark, which I did just $2 under $400 on Poshmark. Also, peep the Poshmark Sherpa. I live in this thing. Just I'm always cold in my house, so I wear this a lot. Okay, so the first thing that sold on Poshmark was a Nordstrom romper. The brand is Gibson. And it was like a really pretty floral print, bright blue romper, perfect for like a vacation or something. And this sold for $25. Okay, next is this was a really quick sale. A Bowden dress. Again, Bowden is a great brand. I keep feeling like I'm saying, this is a great brand, this is a great brand, but I swear these are all great brands. This is just like a pink sleeveless dress. This sold in 2 or 3 days. So I was very happy with that. Sold for $28. Next, RIP this item because I really wanted to keep this. I wore this in one of my videos, and I was gonna give it a month, and then if it didn't sell, I was gonna keep it, but it sold. It's just a Nike jacket, just a Nike zip up red jacket. And it sold for $27, so it sold for a decent amount too. If I, do you ever like something in your closet and you want to keep it and you're like only gonna sell it if it sells for a certain amount? I told myself like I'm not gonna sell this for less than $20. And I was hoping I wouldn't get any offers so I could keep it, but I had to give it away at $27. Next is a Topshop top. This was a cold shoulder top. Cold shoulder is definitely in everything. Short sleeve cold shoulder, long sleeve cold shoulder, everything cold shoulder is in right now. And this sold for $18. Oh, this was a double whammy trend wise. It was a cold shoulder and a bell sleeve. You can't get much trendier than that. And next is a Ann Taylor tank top. This was new with tag. And this sold for $18. This was an offer again. And this was just like a plain tank top with a really fun print. So happily took that offer. Next is another Bowden top. This is just like a plain white top, like ruffle detailing on the sleeves. And this was sold for $20. This was an offer that I gladly accepted. Okay, next is a Free People top. This was just like a short sleeve Free People top with little ruffles on the sleeve and on the neckline. I got an offer for $15 and accepted that. Okay, next, it's probably one of my favorite items that I've found and sold recently is a pair of Levi's. And these were vintage Levi's that someone had like cut. These were men's Levi's that someone had cut into shorts and made little leopard print shorts out of them, and they sold for $30. Sad to see those go because they were my size, but hopefully someone is rocking those leopard print shorts. I wouldn't have a place to wear them anyways. Next is a pair of Gymshark leggings. I'm pretty sure in every video I say, this is my last pair of Gymshark leggings, and then I sell another one. So here's another one. These were the flex leggings cropped in teal blue, and they sold for $20. Okay, next up is just a black Lululemon tank top, just a razorback tank top. This sold for $20. I just love selling Lululemon. It has such a cult following that it's just, I can't keep up with Lululemon when I have it in my closet. Next is a Nike dry fit crew neck shirt. Just like a navy blue plain shirt, and this sold for $20. I know a lot of people pass on Nike, but I think if you can get newer looking Nike items, you can sell it for $20, $30. Nike shorts, Nike leggings, Nike tops, Nike tank tops. I mean, that shirt sold for the same price as my Lululemon tank top. So just keep that in mind. Nike sells too, and I definitely think Nike is easier to find. All right, next is a Free People dress. It's just like a really pretty like swing dress, and this sold for $35. This sold really, really fast. I think a day or two. Obviously it's spring, but I'm seeing a lot of floral prints selling right now, which makes sense because it's springtime. Next is a pair of Sanctuary pants. This was a liquidation.com find from last year, I think. And these are actually, I sold them on eBay and they were returned. I do free returns because they said they just didn't fit. So I was happy to see them go again. So these sold for $25. Next is a pair of Free People jeans. These were just like a skinny jean. They sold for $27. Free People denim does really well. Usually sells between $25 and like $40. Next, another Nike shirt. This was just like a black shirt with the Just Do It on it and the swoosh. in like a really pretty floral print. And that sold for $15. That was an offer accepted. And then the last item, this is an interesting one. It's a Free People, just like a blouse with like a tie in the front and a floral print. But this actually was listed at $45, and then I got an offer for $35 while I was sleeping. And obviously I was sleeping, so I couldn't accept the offer, but then the buyer came in and just purchased it full out. I guess they were nervous that I wasn't going to accept it or that someone else was going to buy it. So they bought it full out for $45, which was awesome. I packed that up right in the morning and sent it off to them. So that is it for Posh. That was just about $400. So a total of about $850 for the second week in April. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye.